Hi everyone, Varnish Junkies here with a new DIY video. You can use this video to achieve two outcomes. One, maybe you didn't know how to fix your loose nail brush and don't want to lose all of your pretty diamonds. Well, this might help. Or two, which is what I'll be doing today, and that's replacing the diamonds with the glitter so I can use the diamonds for other crafts. First, for fixing your loose brush, you'll need to remove the brush head. Second, add a little more hot glue, then replace the brush head and done, like brand new. For this DIY, after removing the brush head, you'll want to remove the hot glue plug and then remove the diamonds from the inside. See, pretty shiny diamonds. Then you're going to need some alcohol to clean the inside, the part you just removed the diamonds from. Get you a couple paper towels. Make sure it's dry before adding your glitter. Then I'll be using this pink camo glitter today. Trying to get a close-up so you can see it. I'll also be using this Hearts and Stars chunky glitter. And lastly, I'll be using this White Spectra glitter semi-chunky. And start by pouring in the Hearts and Stars. I might add a little bit of the pink camo. And lastly, some of this White Spectra glitter. Oops, just a little more. Then you'll need your hot glue gun. You'll want to replace the hot glue plug, and then put a little more warm hot glue on top of that. And you'll want to put on your brush head while the glue's still warm, and boom, you got a new pretty brush. And some diamonds for other arts and crafts. How shiny. Goodbye.